How to turn on or turn off power saving on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then tap on battery. In here, tap on power saving. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on power saving. You can see when I turn it off, I have around 1 day and 20 hours left. When I switch it on, the time increases to 2 days and 9 hours. And that's it. Even when I switch it on, you can see the screen will slightly go dimmer. So what happens when you turn on power saving? So say it here, turn off, always on display, limit CPU speed to 70%, decrease brightness by 10%, turn off 5G, and you can even limit apps and home screen. And up here, background network usage, syncing and location checking will be limited, and motion smoothness will be changed to standard up to 60 Hz. And that's it. Another way for you to quickly switch between on and off for your power saving mode is you open up your quick settings. In here is a shortcut. Tap on the power saving shortcut to toggle it on or off. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching.